March 7th or 8th. It lives. Well, like said in the song, I can't believe all that mess belongs to you. Wiggle a little wire down here in the battery and relay terminal, and the thing decided it was going to start. Spray a little starting fluid in there, and Bob's your uncle. See if it's going to start again. Well, go figure that. Anyway, so I gotta take this thing out for a ride, but I gotta put the seat back on it and a few other things. But it's good to have it run. It hasn't run in months. And something is goofy here, maybe with the battery terminal. To get at the battery, got to remove that plate there. And I think you've got to remove these panels here. Here's half of the battery, the other half of the battery under this frame member. And I got down here and fiddled with this terminal a little bit and decided it was going to wake up. But clearly the battery is still good. I thought I'd creamed the battery, but I think what we got is this is the relay here, the main relay for the whole motorcycle, and made some funny little noises. Really has to warm up before the throttle response is good. But I think we're doing all right. Very pleased to have it running again. I had just put new spark plugs in it. Something went goofy in it last time and it didn't want to start, and it fouled the plugs up. I think that throttle response is pretty good now. They're closing in on this son of a bitch. Oh, I think I can hear the fan coming on. Yeah, water's hot all right. All right, so